Today I have these 3 plastic ornaments that are black that I got at home in a package of about 12. These little letters I got at the dollar store local to me, which kind of resembles more like a Dollar Tree. And these letters are basically paper, and each letter is almost like a pad of paper. There's multiple letters in each one. I took a floral wire, and I added it to the tops of each globe. This is just temporary, just so I have something to hold on to and hang from. I took my first paper J, and I was using a spray adhesive to help me hold these letters down, and because they were just paper. And I basically got them to where they would stay pretty decent, and I took some white spray paint and just sprayed the entire ball and lifted the paper up. And I basically just kept repeating this process with the J, the O, and the Y. Once the globes were completely dry, I grabbed this glass vase and I took some red plaid ribbon and tied it to the top of each ornament. And although this seemed like enough, I grabbed some greenery and kind of pushed it in just around each of the globes, just to add a little bit more to the vase. And there you go, joy. Thank you.